everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Artsnacks October 2019 box. I just got it in the mail today and I'm pretty excited to see what is inside. So let's find out together. As always, we have our menu letting us know exactly what is inside the box with all the product info. The snack that is in this box is a Sour Punch straw, and it looks like it is in green apple. Nom! This month's sticker has a bunch of little ghosts on the Artsnacks logo. Happy Halloween! The first part that is actually art supplies is a bottle of ink, so it looks like we are keeping the Inktober theme going strong. It is a Semi-Hex abstract acrylic ink, and this is normally $7.95 retail. And this is a new product. Enjoy a fresh bottle of ink just in time for Inktober. Made in France, Semi-Hex abstract acrylic ink is highly pigmented and versatile. It works on most surfaces and can be used with a brush, dip pen, or dropper. Layering is effortless with this transparent, water-resistant ink, so get creative and explore some new techniques. They say it's transparent, which means it's probably going to be thinner than my personal preference for how I like ink, especially acrylic ink, to be. I know in a previous Artsnacks box they included some Semi-Hex acrylic paint, and I was not a fan of how watery and sheer they were compared to acrylic paints that I normally use. Like I said, it is a personal preference of mine. At least with this, with using those, I have a better idea that this is probably going to be a lot sheerer and that I will probably have to layer it up a lot more. I also think that, like with this month's Sketchbox box, I'm not going to be doing a project at the end of this video like normal. I will just be integrating some of these items into Inktober projects as I go this month. Because in case you don't know, I'm doing a video for every day of Inktober. Should be interesting and probably fun. The next items are some Copic classic markers, and they are normally $7.99 retail each. Get ready to use one of the highest quality alcohol-based markers around. Ideal for all illustration styles, Copic classic markers have two durable tips, a fine point nib and a broad chisel nib. You can sketch in delicate details and color in large areas. Two perks of Copic markers: they're refillable and the nibs are replaceable. This will be interesting for me because I have only used the sketch markers. I'm sure the ink's the same. I know how the chisel nib works, but I've never used the fine tip. And that is a pretty nice fine tip there. The colors I got are grayish lavender and frost blue, which these will look very nice for any kind of gray tones. I don't know if they sent out different colors for different things in this month's box. If you got different colors than I did, please let me know in that comment section down below. They included a brush with this month's box, and it is a Royal and Langnickel Zen Series 83 watercolor brush. It is a round in size 4, and this is usually $2.99 retail. This is new to Artsnacks, and it is a staff favorite already. Find your inner peace with the Zen Series 83 watercolor brush from Royal and Langnickel. With a blend of synthetic and natural hair, this brush achieves the perfect combination of softness and strength. It holds a generous amount of color and is extremely resilient. The metallic handle can soak in water without cracking or swelling. You'll find this brush works with watercolor, ink, and fluid acrylics. Looks like it is pretty nice. As you can see, the tip of that brush comes to a nice point, and this one should be good for getting in little details and things like that. The final item in this box is a pencil, and this is normally $1 retail price. Lightly sketch your outlines before inking with the 2H General Semi-Hex drawing graphite pencil. Its core is fully bonded with the wood for extreme durability and break resistance, so you don't need to constantly sharpen your pencil. A 2H pencil like this is going to be great for getting in very light sketches, and it's going to be easier to erase and to ink over. Having a harder lead, like I said in the previous Sketchbox video where they gave us a very soft lead, I think that one was a 12B. The softer lead is going to be smudgier and a lot darker and a little bit more difficult to pull up and erase. This is going to be lighter. It's not great for shading unless you're getting really light grays in, but it is perfect for doing a base sketch that you plan on inking later. So that is everything that came in this month's Artsnacks box. I look forward to using these items later in the Inktober projects I plan on doing. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, or if you've used any of the supplies in this box yet, let me know what you feel about this stuff, all in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I do want to take a moment to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video, listen to me ramble about art supplies. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!